Alright guys, we're back at it again, and today what we got going on here is, yes, that is a broken bolt. Okay, valve cover bolt is broken. Went down to Harbor Freight, picked this kit up right here. Alright, there we go, item number 61981. Alright, it's a screw extractor set. We're gonna see how good this works out. Alright, so we'll get this unboxed, get the camera all set up, and we'll go through how to get this extracted out of there. Alright, inside here we're gonna go with the smallest size, number 1 extractor, and a 5/64 bit. That's the number 1 extractor, okay? And got the drill bit already on here on the drill. I'm gonna go ahead and drill out the center. Yes, the drill is going forward, turning clockwise. Alright, you can see that we're just drilling down nice and slow. I stuffed the rag down in there so we don't get any metal shavings down into the crankcase. Slow and steady. Let the drill bit do all the work. Alright, so I'm going to step it up on the drill bit size now. We're going to do 5/32. Alright, now let's check that out. I'm going to try the larger extractor, the number 2. So, let me show you. That's the number 1. That's the number 2. I'm going to go with the number 2, that way we don't break it. You know what happens if you break it down in there? We got a long way to go. Maybe we could even jump that up to the number 3. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, it looks like the number 3 here would bite a little bit onto that. Alright, so we're gonna go with the number 3. Even better. Drill down a little bit more. Alright, now let's try to get this in there. So I got a little socket on there and the 1/4" ratchet. I'm just turning it nice and easy, counterclockwise. Biting down into it, you can see that. It's not moving. Alright, so I'm going to take this back out. Alright. Alright, so we just try to get it out. I'm going to drill down a little bit deeper into it. That's a pretty soft stud in there that we're getting out. Alright, let's check this. See what we got here. Alright, I'm gonna go get some spray it down. Alright, so we let that WD-40 soak in there. Gonna go ahead and keep twisting this and trying to get it out. I'm putting pretty good amount of force on here. You can see something's moving down there. Don't know if we're getting it out or it's stripping or what's going on. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, it's coming out. Check that out. Awesome. There we go. This is the Harbor Freight extraction set. It actually works, guys. I was worried it was gonna break. Well, that thing's really in there, huh? Wow. There we go. Look at that. It's awesome. There we go. So you just drill out the center and get the extractor in there. This is the number 3. See that right there? Number 3. Alright. We did try with the number 1 and the number 2, but they probably would have broke inside trying to get that out. So we went with the number 3, and the kit has everything you need in it. Comes with the drill bits and everything. So that's the drill bit we used right here. Tell you what that is. It's 1/8. We'll put that back in there. Alright, so if you guys ever have this problem, run down to Harbor Freight. And even if you don't have this problem, just run down there to Harbor Freight, pick one of these up. It's well worth the money. That way you have it, and it'll get that extraction going on for you. So please like, subscribe, and share, and most definitely I hope this helped you guys out.